you to do is make sure that none of the shit that happened today comes back to bite us in the ass.